Let's break down the market flow starting with SPY. The largest dark pool level sits at 659 with $6.6 billion traded, making it the biggest single area of liquidity. That level is backed up by more billion-class levels at 663.21 with $4.6 billion, and around 663.76 and 663.77 with $2.70 and $2.0 billion. We also have notable $1.4 billion levels at both 659.23 and 666.75. Together these show a tightly packed band between 659 and 666 that institutions are watching. Options lean bearish here. The top puts landed at $662, $663, and $666 expiring September 24, with tens of thousands of contracts and premium stacking up. Calls at $663 and $666 were active but not enough to flip the lean. The overall call/put premium ratio of 0.49 signals more hedging and downside pressure. Moving to QQQ. The largest levels were concentrated around 599, where $1.6 billion traded, and 598.34 with $1.1 billion. These form a strong base zone that traders will look to for support. On the options side, QQQ leaned bullish with the call/put premium ratio at 2.15. Calls focused on strikes like 595, 600, and 610 with near-dated expiries. Puts were present, but lighter in both contracts and premium. The balance tilts bullish, suggesting more confidence in the upside for QQQ compared to SPY. IWM showed one of the clearest setups. The standout is 242.91 with a massive $4.8 billion level, backed immediately by 242.98 at $1.8 billion. That cluster makes the 242 zone the most important area in small caps. Additional billion-class levels showed at 238.57 and 245.22, reinforcing the band of support. Options lean firmly bullish. The call/put premium ratio sits at 2.40, showing calls well ahead of puts. That positioning lines up with the big dark pool levels, giving IWM the strongest bullish lean of the three indexes. Finally, unusual options flow highlighted smaller names with heavy near-term bets. Open Door, OPEN, led with nearly $9.7 million in premium and 196,000 contracts expiring in 13 days. Micron, MU, followed with $8.2 million in premium and over 31,000 contracts expiring in 10 days. OKLO, OKLO, printed $2.37 million with 6,300 contracts just 5 days out, while IONQ, added $1.85 million across 6,600 contracts expiring in 6 days. The Trade Desk, TTD, rounded out the top 5 with 7,000 contracts and a 5-day expiry. These names highlight targeted speculation with Open and MU commanding the largest dollar bets, while OKLO and IONQ stand out for their extremely short-term expiries. In summary, the largest dark pool levels mark key battlegrounds. SPY at 659 and 663 looks heavy with a bearish lean, QQQ at 599 leans bullish, and IWM at 242 shows the strongest bullish setup. Meanwhile, unusual flow highlights traders piling into Open, MU, OKLO, IONQ, and TTD for near-term moves.